Hello everyone, this is Bertina Amy here, and welcome to my channel. In today's episode of Wedding on a Budget, we are going to be making feather pens. These feather pens can also be used for other special events besides just weddings, but I used it for my wedding, so I'm going to keep it in the Wedding on a Budget series. So I actually made these feather pens twice for two separate events, and the first time I made it, I think I did a better job because I used the floral tape, which I do recommend, but this time around I had a different budget, and at the time I'd already spent so much on my budget that I couldn't even go ahead and buy some floral tape as it was, so I went ahead and used my fancy ribbon and repurposed it for this project and just glued it down to a pen. So I did these two different ways, and you'll see them in the video, where there's some that are a little bit bendy or bendable, and I actually prefer the ones that aren't bendable, so I made them two different ways. One where you take it completely apart and just have the inner tube of the ink, and the other one where you don't even take it apart and you just wrap the ribbon around and stick it into or attach it to the feather. And I found that the second way, where I attach it to the feather without taking the pen apart, actually was much more sturdy. And here you can see I'm holding up the feather pens, and the ribbon being wrapped around it. I can tell you that they're two different colors, and they're not showing up very well because it's so bright, the lighting, and I tried to adjust it, but as it was, like, that's the best I can get without it looking too dark. So anyways, I would recommend just not taking a pen apart, just wrapping the ribbon around. I think that is the easiest, quickest way to make your own feather pen. And hopefully you don't mind if you can kind of see the sort of like stick part of the feather. Let me know in the comments below which one was your favorite, wrapped in ribbon or wrapped in floral tape. For free printable instructions on how to DIY your own feather pens, go ahead and check out the description box below. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe below, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.